camera's on the car, so here we go.
It's on a remote control car.
Yeah,
No, wait, let me get the remote control and. Oh no. I think it's a little too heavy for the cord. The cord is very slow.
well, at least it's moving. Oh no, but it's in the phone.
Carpet! My worst enemy! Don't touch my car! By the way, Braden's controlling this car. I'm controlling the one that y'all
Okay, I'll
are
show you
watching. And it's
that car.
there.
I'll show you that car. I'm controlling that car.
No! I don't
I'm
want to see
controlling the
it.
Corvette.
So, subscribe to this video if you want us to do this one more time. No, don't hurt me. I'm just an innocent phone car.
I thought you were gonna go past me.
I'm just an innocent phone call.
No. What happened to you? What happened to you?
Oh my God.
No, what happened to you? What happened to you? Don't tell me you died.
Hugs.
He died.
Hugs.
I think he died. Turn on the flashlight. Yeah, there we go. It died. It died.
Oh, I just turned on the headlights, and yeah, now you're driving.
My thing died. My thing died. My thing died.
And to show that y'all are actually on a remote control car, yeah. Go.
Nice and shit.
Sorry about that. Y'all fell off because of the tape. It wasn't my fault at all. Ugh. There we go. It works good. Y'all are very wobbly. If this what? What do you? What? Light. Door. Light. Door. Light.
I got a new car.
Okay. No.
Beep. Eventually. Back on up, Mason.
I can't.
Did it die?
I didn't know.
Oh, you're good. Mason!
Oh, good.
I got a fast car. I made y'all fall again.
That's why you don't ram your phone.
I'm not trying to.
Oh. Wait 1 minute, guys. There we go. No, come back! I'm kidding, it isn't moving. Just because I need the remote. Just watch. Really,
I'm
Brady?
not trying to hit it. I'm trying to
Don't
get
go backwards. Don't go forwards. Ow. I'm saying ow. I just got the phone. Why am I saying ow?
Ow. Hey, did my car flip? Did my car flip? Oh. Oh, wait a minute.
Do it.
It won't let me. Oh, move your leg.
Woo!
Help!
Help us! No, don't ram us. I'll help myself. Yeah, so this video is called flashlight off. Flashlight on. Yeah. Dude, light. What? Well, how is it happening? Oh, hi. Hi. I'm looking at myself.
Oh, come on, Russell Wilson. Oh, come on.
Hi, bye. What are you doing here? I'm playing with my car. No. Sorry. No. Stay back. Stay back, you monster. I take off your handy pouch. you off. Ooh, got you. I'll help you. Bye. Wait, what am I doing? Where's it go? Oh, tape. There we go.
Please don't take my phone.
You may never make a video ever again. There we go. So this is me pointing at my face with a piece of tape over it.
There you go.
This is me pointing at my face without tape. See any difference? Look at the difference. Sweep.
Yes.
Ooh. Okay. So, everybody who likes this video will, everybody who comments to this video will most likely and will try our hardest to send a comment back. Bye.